Okay, so we have these quartic functions that we've graphed here. We see that with the lead coefficient is positive, it means that it's opening up. It is degree 4. There's a linear root at x equals -1, and then a cubic root. There's a little tiny bit of a wow there through x equals 4, corresponding to that triple root. Ends go in the same direction, and we've got one single root there and a triple root there. One turning point, 4 roots and 2 zeros, 2 distinct zeros. Same thing over here. We've got a triple root here at x equals -1, corresponding to this factor of x plus 1 cubed. And we've got one linear root at x equals 4, corresponding to that factor of x minus 4. Lead coefficient is positive, therefore it's opening up, and the ends go in the same direction. One turning point, 4 roots, 2 distinct zeros. Lead coefficient is negative, so that means it's opening down. Degree of 4, 3 and 1 is degree 4. The ends go in the same direction. We've got one linear root at x equals -1, and one triple root or one cubic root at x equals 4, given by this factor to the power 3. So we've got 4 roots, 2 distinct zeros, 1 turning point. Okay, and then same kind of thing here. Triple root through 0, linear root at x equals 4. It's quartic. The ends go in the same direction, and it's opening up because the lead coefficient is positive. So one triple root, 4 roots altogether, and 2 distinct zeros there. Okay, then we just continue on here. Looking at quartics, we see the quartic here is y equals x to the power 4. The quadratic is y equals x squared. See the difference between the two. The quartic is a little flatter at the bottom. This has a quadruple root at x equals 1. Lead coefficient is positive. It opens up. Both ends go in the same direction because it is to the degree 4. And just one turning point in this case, and one distinct zero, 4 quadruple roots. Or sorry, one quadruple root, 4 roots at x equals 1. Same kind of idea here for part C. We've got negative lead coefficient, so it opens down. At x equals 2 is the quadruple root. It's degree 4, so it's N-shaped. Ends go in the same direction. One turning point, one distinct zero, and 4 roots, which is one quadruple root at x equals 2. Okay, and then we just have to graph the next these graphs by following the same pattern as before, and then try your best to draw this function, or this curve, with degree 3, positive lead coefficient, 2 zeros, and 2 turning points. Okay, work on that please, and I'll give you the reveal in a couple seconds. So please pause the video and work on those right now. Okay, so the curves might look something like this. 0 at x equals 5, and 0 at x equals -4. Lead coefficient is negative for part B, so it opens down. Lead coefficient for A is positive, so it opens up. Ends in the same direction because the degree is 4. And it's U or N-shaped in this case. And that's pretty much it. And then for this one, this is just a sample. It could be different than this, but I've got my double root here, my quadratic root at this value. It doesn't really matter which one it is. And the linear, this one, is positive lead coefficient, so the general trend is increasing for the degree 3. So we've got 1, 2 roots, 3 roots, and 2 turning points, so that is degree 3. So we've got 2 zeros, 1, 2, 2 turning points, 1, 2, and the lead coefficient being positive means that it's going to be increasing. Okay, so that is it. Please do the first few questions at home and then come in tomorrow to finish off the rest. Happy graphing and see you in class.